minute earlier on fishing, and nothing much has happened, and Ole says, you know, Sven, my Lena hasn't spoken to me for 2 weeks. For 2 weeks, she hasn't said one word. I got the good notion to get the divorce, but she hasn't spoken to me for 2 weeks. And Sven says, Ole, you better think that through, because a woman like that is hard to find.
Change the direction? Yeah, I'll work on that. Go that way. I'll crank it for you. Good practice. A dagger so they can take it to school tomorrow and show everybody. Yeah.
Want me to try? Yeah, it's starting to get like the orange.
Yeah?
It's starting to get
cool.
Have the hammer.
You got it in there pretty good now.
No, did it break off?
Yeah, it broke off.
Did it? Okay. So you pounded it too thin or something?
Yeah, we pounded it too thin and then we melted it off.
Cold anvil cools them down pretty fast.